Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will learn about prepositions. Now let's learn. Look at the pictures and see where things and animals are. Notice the words in color. आप ध्यान से देखिए इन पिक्चर्स में कि एनिमल्स या जो थिंग्स हैं वो कहाँ पर हैं. The lion is sitting outside its den. The fish is in the bowl. The bowl is on the table. The dog is inside the kennel. The jug is between the two glasses. The frog is jumping into the pond. The cat is on the table. The dog is under the table. The aeroplane is flying over the building. The girl is behind the curtain. The cheetah jumped upon the deer. The farmer is standing beside his bull. In these sentences, the words in color tell us about the position of things and animals. हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि animals या things कहाँ पर है. A preposition is a word that shows the position of nouns in relation to other nouns. जो preposition है वो क्या show करता है कि जो noun की position है दूसरे noun के relation में वो कहाँ पर है, कैसे है और क्या है. The children are going to school. To shows relation between children and school. Second, the fox is looking at the bread in the crow's beak. At show relation between the fox and the bread, and in shows relation between the bread and the crow's beak. Number 3, the train is passing through a tunnel. Through shows the relation between the train and the tunnel. Train और tunnel के बीच में जो relation है वो through आपको show कर रहा है. Number 4, Aarti is going down the stairs. Now down shows the relation between Aarti and the stairs. We see that a preposition is normally placed before a noun or pronoun, and it shows the relation between the noun or pronoun and some other words in a sentence. जो preposition है वो normally कहाँ place किया जाता है, noun या pronoun से पहले, और क्या show करता है, relation. noun और pronoun के बीच में इसका क्या relation है. तो I hope आपको ये clear हुआ होगा. Now this is your exercise, you have to practice it.